So I'm coming home. I can't wait to be home.
Have you ever had a trouble accepting someone else? Have you ever been in a situation where the actions and words of another person were confusing, hurtful and frustrating? Have you ever felt disappointed by another person who was acting in a way that was different from what you expected? This story is about a soldier who was finally coming home after having fought in Vietnam. Hello son. How are you? Are you okay? Is there any problem?
Hello Mom, Dad, I'm coming home.
That's good to hear. Do you have something I want to prepare for you?
It's okay Mom. I have only a favor to ask.
Or, go ahead son, your dad is here too.
Yes son, we are here to listen to you. I have a favor to ask. I have a friend I'd like to bring home with me. Sure, we'd love to meet him. There is something you should know. He was hurt pretty badly in the fighting. He stepped on the landmine and lost his arm and a leg. He was nowhere else to go, and I want him to come live with us.
Sorry to hear that, son. Maybe we can help him somewhere to live.
No, Mom and Dad, I want him to live with us.
And you don't know what you're asking. Someone with such a handicap would be a terrible burden to us. We have our own lives to live, and we can't let something like this interfere with our lives. I think you should just come on home and forget about this guy. He'll find a way to live on his own.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even.
A few days later, they received a call from the San Francisco police. Their son died after falling from a building. The police believed that it was suicide. The grief-stricken parents flew to San Francisco and were taken to the city of Morgue to identify the body of their son. They recognized him, but to the horror, they also discovered something they didn't know. Their son had only one arm and one leg. Where to take it from here? The parents in the story are not unlike many of us. We find it easy to love those who are good-looking or fun to have around, but we don't like people who are inconvenience us or make us feel uncomfortable. We would rather stay away from people who aren't as healthy, beautiful, or smart as we are. Thankfully, God doesn't treat us that way. God loves us with an unconditional love that welcomes us into His forever family, regardless of how messed up we are. Because of His great love for us, we are to reach out to others in the same way. Let us ask God the strength that we need to accept the people as they are, and to help us be more understanding of those who are different from us.